Here is my Merrimack canoe after a year of use, after Al of Betsy Bay Kayaks up in Frankfort, Michigan repaired it. And he gave it this white paint, which he told me was a two-part paint, much like an epoxy that he sprayed on, and is very durable. So this is after a year of use. So that was last fall, and I've used it all summer. Here we are in September, and we've got a few light scratches there. And for the most part, I just rinsed it off, so it's white. It looks pretty good. Some stuff I could clean more. Here's a few light scratches. But all in all, I'm real happy with how durable this coating is. Much better than the one that came on it. Al did a fantastic job. That thing was broken almost in half.